Where's Lisa?
Hi, Minky.
Oh, hi, Minky Lee. How are you?
My name is Who are you?
My name is Minky Lee.
This is my friend my sister Alicia.
Your sister Alicia?
Yes.
Can you call Alicia?
Alicia? We found your friend.
Okay. And talk to Lisa. Where's Lisa right now?
Lisa's at work.
Yeah, she is at work. And do you miss Lisa?
I love him.
You-
First,
Do you love Lisa?
Lisa's my best.
I know. Lisa's your best friend? Do you want to say hi to Lisa? Say hi to the camera, to Lisa.
Hi.
How are you? Tell Lisa what you're doing right now. What are you doing right now?
Lisa, you're found me.
Tell Lisa. What are you doing? Are you eating? Are you eating dinner now?
Mhm.
Is it good?
Mhm.
Do you need my help or can you do it yourself?
I can do myself.
Okay. Say bye, Lisa.
Bye, Lisa.
I love you.
I love you.